the promises made are getting harder to keep. I'm walking on limestone and breathing in dust, with a heart made of iron and a soul full of rust. The creek bed is dry and the harbor's still lean, but I'm seeing the things that can't quite be seen. There's a silence that screams and a dark that can blind, but I'm leaving the weight of the worry behind. Oh, I got faith in the valley, down in the low, where the water is hidden and the bitter winds blow. You can take all the light and you can bury the sun, but my race with the Spirit has only begun. Yeah, the deeper the dark, yeah, the harder I stand. Faith in the valley, in a hollowed out land. I see the city slick, looking down from the peak, talking about power while his spirit is weak. He don't know the mercy you find in the mud, or the prayer that you whisper in the sweat and the blood. I'll make it to the battle where the roots grow deep. I got a secret that the world couldn't keep. Oh, I got faith in the valley, down in the low, where the water is hidden and the bitter winds blow. You can take out the light, hey, you can bury the sun, but my race to the Spirit is only begun. Yeah, the deeper the darkness, the harder I stand. Faith in the valley, in a hollowed out land. Keep on walking, I ain't alone. The valley is wide, but the path is so narrow. I'm flying on home like a stone from a sparrow. Faith in the valley.